Okay, hello guys. This video is actually to complement the introduction, Python's introduction video that was actually created before. At the end of the video there was a glitch and a little stuff. So to copy it, the first thing you need to do, you go ahead and your download and install your Python. Okay, download and install your Python like this. All right, then the second thing that you need to do is you go ahead and download your PyCharm. All right, and always you see community. Always remember that is the community version that you need to install. Okay, because that one is not paid. All right. This is professional, like I told you, and this is community. Always ensure you download the community version here and choose your system requirement, like your system type here or architecture here. So you go ahead, you download. So when you're done downloading and installing this both, okay, and you go ahead and open up your PyCharm. Okay, you come to this your PyCharm's what do we call it, environment like this. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we'll come here. All right, and you actually go down to settings. You look for settings, these very settings. Okay, and you come to this place. All right, now another way to go around this, normally if you have not created any project, you come here to this very project thing. Okay, and all, but normally if you open this very thing for the first time, it will ask you to create a project, like it is, or like we saw in the previous video, which is the Python tutorial introduction. Okay, so when you create that project, all right, which it will now appear here, Python tutorial. Okay, it's like you come here, all right, and it's like you come here, right, and you create a new file, like new project like this. Okay, it will show you something like this. So when you come here, you name your project. All right, you name your project, and then you come to this Python version. You click down this way. All right, because you've installed Python in your system. Okay, what I was actually trying to do here is to choose one of these ones. Okay, you go ahead and select from one of these very Python, the one that you actually installed, okay, on your system. If you notice, this is it. Okay, this is the install where the Python was installed, app data, local, micro. So just click on this drop down button here, all right, and choose any one that you see. If you do, you click on create to go ahead and create. Okay, another thing also, or another way is when you are here, you go over here, all right, to this menu file. You now do new, you go to Python file, you create. Okay, let's say sample. All right, like I told you, always ensure that it's not here. Always ensure you click Python file. All right, when you are done, you click enter. If you now see sample.py. all right, if you do and you want to run, let's say we'll go ahead and do print, and we do hello world. All right, and we go ahead to run it, the hello world. Okay, you see that we are going to see, okay, other things are actually running. Okay, because other programs are on. If you notice, I did a lot of this is a classwork here, so something there, it's actually running. So let me go here and change from there to current file. Okay, so if I go ahead and run hello, I see you're going to see hello world. All right, now like this current file that I changed, you don't need to change anything in your case. All you need to do is just do what I did. It will work, because you get to the part where you're going to create those scripts. You're going to create this script 1, script 2. It's part of the tutorial, all these lessons. Okay, so one of these things there. All right, so don't bother, you're not going to see all these scripts. Once you're not going to change anything here. So if you do this, okay, Instead of it to run and give you the result here, what will happen is it will now bring out this it will bring out this thing like this, telling you showing error, like we saw in the other video, showing error that you don't have Python in this thing. So all you need to do is you come here. All right, if you can go through that place directly, or you go through file settings and you come to the project that you created. Or you look at it, normally it will be like this. Okay, so you click on the project or you drop it down. All right, look, and you click on Python interpreter. After clicking on Python interpreter, you come here. If you choose here, and normally here you might see no interpreter at this point, like it will be like this. Okay, no interpreter. So all you need to do is click on drop down. All right, go to the Python that you've installed and click on it. Okay, if there is no if you didn't see any Python interpreter like this, that you click and then click OK. All you need to do is come here and do click on this add interpreter. Then you now do add local interpreter. Then you come here and choose. All right, choose from anyone that you see here. When you are done, you now click OK. Okay, and you now come here and you click OK. So when you try to run your code, it will run effectively. But in any case, if you have any issue running when you're done and you think you have any issue, okay, you can easily chat me up on my WhatsApp line that you have. Then I will come up to help you immediately. All right, so thank you very much. And this is, like I say, this video is to complement that introductory class. All right, thank you very much and do have a nice day. Bye for now.